the demand of the drugs. It is it's a pan Indian or international issue. So as far as a Goa state police is concerned, we have found out that there is a route for some specific type of drugs. So wherever we find out कि मतलब some of the drugs are being supplied from some particular states, we take the help of the concerned state agencies. We talk to the officers there. We recently, our honorable DGP sir had done a multi-state coordination meeting in which we called neighboring states officers had come. We exchanged the numbers. So if you are aware, recently Crime Branch did a case in which we found out that one of the drug peddler was out of the state. We talked to the concerned state police organization. Only because of that outcome of that interstate coordination meeting, we know which officer to be contacted. We contacted that officer. Immediately, we could bring the the drug peddler who had supplied. So it is working. It is working. It is very well working, and we will be able to deal with drugs properly.
सर इस साल कितना ड्रग्स ऑल टुगेदर कितना पकड़ा हुआ है हाउ मच अमाउंट
Any statistics?
See, I won't be able to say the exact figures, but over an average, I have seen like 45 kgs of drugs have done
This month?
No, all over.
average. You can say 40 month
Every month.
ऑल टुगेदर ये साल सर
It's all the drugs together. इस साल का तो you would just take it like 45 into like.
So how much amount it could be, sir?
Some months it will be more. Actually, we had seen like when the tourist season is there,
So among the drugs category, ganja is increasing, sir. Consumption of ganja is increasing among the tourists. So
see, if at all there is an increase in ganja, might be it's can be easily smuggled, and it can be cultivated anywhere.
Cultivated.
So that might be the reason.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.